Hi, today for the Redmi Note 11 Pro, and I'll show you how to enable or disable NFC on this device. So let's first open the settings and then tap to connection and sharing. Here you'll see NFC switcher. Just to activate NFC or to turn it off, we should tap on the switcher. You can also switch the contactless payment, the default payment app, just Google Pay or another application, or also to change or to always use default app to change it. So also get one more way how we can activate or turn off the NFC. We should just open the control panel and find here NFC icon. Just to activate NFC or to turn it off, we should click on this icon, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.